Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're putting in the work to lose weight but not seeing the results you deserve, this video is for you. Today, we're diving deep into the foods that might look healthy, taste amazing, and seem innocent, but are secretly sabotaging your weight loss goals. Trust me, some of these will shock you. So grab a notebook because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what foods to avoid and what to choose instead. Alright, let's get right into it. Here are the top foods that could be silently holding you back. Number 1. Granola. Granola sounds like a health food, right? It's marketed with images of mountains, hiking, and happy mornings. But here's the truth. Most store-bought granola is packed with sugar, honey, oils, and dried fruits that spike your blood sugar and flood your body with extra calories. Even just a small bowl can add up to 400 to 500 calories. Instead, opt for unsweetened oatmeal or homemade granola with no added sugars. Number 2. Flavored yogurt. Yogurt can be a great source of probiotics, but not when it's drowning in sugar. Flavored yogurts often have as much sugar as a candy bar, and if you're starting your morning with one thinking it's healthy, you're unknowingly starting the day with a sugar crash. Instead, go for plain Greek yogurt and sweeten it naturally with a few berries. Number 3. Diet soda 0 calories? No sugar? Sounds perfect, right? Wrong! Studies show that artificial sweeteners can confuse your brain, trigger cravings for sweets, and even disrupt your gut health, all of which can derail fat loss. Swap it. Choose sparkling water with a splash of lemon or natural fruit essence. Number 4. Protein bars. These are marketed as the ultimate healthy snack for the gym rat in all of us. But most protein bars are just glorified candy bars with a little extra protein thrown in. They can be loaded with sugar, corn syrup, and artificial ingredients that trigger fat storage. What to do? Check labels closely. Aim for bars with under 5 grams of sugar and whole ingredients. Number 5. Store-bought smoothies. Smoothies sound super healthy, but commercially made ones are often massive calorie bombs. They typically have high sugar fruits, fruit juices, added sweeteners, and huge serving sizes. Some smoothies can be over 800 calories, more than a full meal. Solution: make your smoothies at home using leafy greens, 1 serving of fruit, protein powder, and no added sugars. Number 6. Veggie chips. Veggies are good, so veggie chips must be better than regular chips, right? Wrong again. Most veggie chips are fried, processed, and stripped of fiber. They're basically potato chips in disguise with slightly different marketing. Tips: stick to real vegetables. Try carrot sticks, cucumber slices, or roasted chickpeas. Bonus tips: if you've been feeling stuck, doing everything right but still not seeing the results you deserve, know that it's not your fault. Sometimes your body needs a little extra support from the inside out. Many people on their weight loss journey are turning to natural solutions like Midolin to help boost metabolism and energy levels. If you're curious, I've left a link in the description where you can learn more about it. Always remember, your journey is yours and you deserve to feel amazing. Number 7. Energy drinks. You may reach for these when you're low on energy, but they're loaded with sugar, chemicals, and massive doses of caffeine that can spike cortisol levels. Cortisol is a stress hormone that, when elevated, encourages your body to store more belly fat. Swap it. Go for green tea or black coffee for a clean energy boost without the crazy additives. Number 8. Dried fruits. A handful of raisins? But dried fruits are condensed sugar bombs. When fruit is dried, the water disappears, but all the natural sugars remain. Now super concentrated. A tiny handful of dried mango can have more sugar than a chocolate bar. Pro tip: eat fresh fruits instead. The water content will keep you fuller and limit overconsumption. Number 9. Frozen healthy meals. Lean Cuisine, Smart Ones, or any low-calorie frozen meal might seem like a dieter's dream. But these meals are often packed with preservatives, added sugars, low-quality carbs, and ridiculous amounts of sodium. What happens? The sodium leads to bloating and water retention, making you feel heavier even if the calories are low. Better choice: prep your meals ahead of time using whole, real food. Number 10. Salad dressings. Salads are healthy, until you drown them in ranch, Caesar, or Thousand Island dressing. Many dressings have hidden sugars, unhealthy oils, and as many calories as a cheeseburger per serving. Smart swap. Use a simple combo of olive oil, lemon juice, and a pinch of sea salt. Number 11. Rice cakes, low in calories but also low in nutrients. Rice cakes cause a quick blood sugar spike followed by a crash, leaving you hungrier than before. Pro tip: pair rice cakes with a healthy fat or protein if you must have them, like natural peanut butter. Number 12. Peanut butter. Peanut butter is delicious, but most commercial brands are filled with added sugars, oils, and preservatives. Even natural peanut butter is very calorie dense, so overeating is super easy. Rule: use 2 tablespoons max and look for brands that list only peanuts and salt as ingredients. Number 13. Canned soups, quick and easy meals, sure, but they're typically packed with sodium, hidden sugars, and preservatives. Result: you feel bloated, thirsty, and still unsatisfied. Better option: make simple homemade soups in batches and freeze for later. Number 14. Cereal. Most cereals, even the ones labeled whole grain or high fiber, are packed with added sugars and refined carbs. Swap it out. Try overnight oats or a homemade chia pudding instead. Number 15. Alcohol. Yes, even that harmless glass of wine or skinny margarita. Alcohol messes with your metabolism, hormones, and sleep quality. 3 key pillars of fat loss. Cutting back. Limit alcohol to special occasions and always hydrate afterward. Some of these foods aren't evil. It's about how often you eat them and how much. Remember, success with weight loss is consistency over time, not perfection. Many people have seen amazing results just by adding middle to their diet. They've lost inches, boost metabolism, burn fat faster. Don't forget to check out the product link given in the description. If you want more in-depth guides on what to eat instead, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I have an entire series coming up, including easy meal ideas that naturally boost your metabolism.